Hello friends, welcome back to Microsoft Excel Tutorial 3. In this video, I'll talk about basic functions in Microsoft Excel. So here you can see I've got a small set of data. I want to know a few things here like total number of employees, average age of those employees and total salary. In order to get total number of employees, I'll have to use count. But count works only on numerical value like salary. In order to put count function in text values, I'll have to use countA, which is a similar function which works on both on numerical value as well as text values. So I'll use count A. First I'll write equal and then count A, right? And you can see there are few parameters for count A. First parameter is value 1, which is mandatory, whereas second parameter is value 2, which is optional because it is written with square bracket. So I'll pass first mandatory parameter, and that parameter will be range for me. So I'll pass B2 to B25 here and then press enter. So now you can get the total number of employees. countA works with both numerical values as well as text values. So I'll pass this range. So I'll get the same answer, 24. If I want to use, if I don't want to use countA, I want to count function with this value, this name, with this B column. So I'll not get any result because count does not work with text values. So you can see 0. So if I change the range here from instead of B2 to B25, I'll use G2 to G25. So I'll get the correct result. So now you must have understood what is the difference between count and countA. So count works with numerical values, whereas countA works with both numerical as well as text values, character based values. Now I'll have to know what is the average age of these employees. So all I need to do, I have to apply average function. So I'll write average, I'll select it from here, and it also got few parameters, and the first parameter is mandatory, which is number 1. So I'll pass this range from E2 to E25 and press enter. And this is the average age 48.08 for these employees. Now I want to know about total salary of these employees. So what I need to do, I have to apply sum. Sum function also got few parameters. I'll pass only first parameter, which is mandatory, and this is the range. So I was telling you about this one, like first argument, which is first parameter is mandatory. So like this one sum, and now first parameter. This is the range, first range, second range. So I can give, I mean these I can use these optional range as well, like B2, G2, comma G3, comma G4. So now I am using these optional parameter as well. So if I want to know total salary of top 3 employees, right? So I can use these parameters separately. So this is this total salary of these top 3 employees. So I'll keep this video till this point. In next video, I'll talk about other functions as well. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.